Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Google Chrome browser on Android is blocking you from loading websites and displaying a "your clock is ahead" or "your clock is behind" error, it means your device's internal time is out of sync with the website's security certificate. I will show you exactly how to fix this secure connection block right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for this SSL certificate failure is that your phone's clock has drifted slightly away from the actual global time. Open your Android Settings app and scroll down to the System or General Management section. Tap on the Date and Time menu. Look for the toggle switches labeled Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. If they are turned off, turn them both on. If they are already on, toggle them both off, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. This forces your phone to ping the local network tower and grab a perfectly accurate fresh timestamp. Next, if your time is correct, but Chrome is still blocking the website, the browser might be holding on to a corrupted cache of the old security error. Open your Chrome application, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and tap on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the time range at the top is set to All Time. Check the boxes for both cookies and cached images, then hit the Clear Data button. Doing this safely wipes out the broken handshake files, forcing Chrome to verify the website's certificate from scratch. Finally, an outdated browser version or a temporary system glitch can cause persistent time sync errors even if your settings are perfect. Open the Google Play Store, tap the search bar and type in Google Chrome. If you see a green Update button next to the app, tap it to install the latest security patches. Once the update finishes, press and hold your phone's physical power button and select Restart. A complete reboot ensures the Android operating system fully commits your new time settings to the hardware clock, allowing your websites to load securely without the error. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.